Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna, and I am your Guru Krishna. So friends, as you know, we are doing the 30 days yoga challenge, and today is our second day. And I hope that yesterday the first day you liked, and today we are going to the second day. So first, in this one, don't skip. If you like the last one, the last first day video, then please do this one also, and keep doing at least for 30 days, and you will see the changes in you, in your behavior, and in your body just in 30 days. So just keep doing this and keep practicing this one, and don't skip any part. And please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video update just like this one. Share this one also. So now let's do with the stretching and Surya Namaskar, and then we do some yoga poses. First, lock your fingers like this one, like this, and then put your hands on your head, and then stretch your body upside and comes to your your toe. So it looks like this one. First, breathe in and breathe out. If my hands is maybe the half there's not fully, you can't see my hands like from this side, from this way. So just keep in mind I'm doing like this one. Here upside I'm doing like this one and stretching my body from my bottom or from the toe. So keep in mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Do it at least 10 times. So let's do 1 or 2 more times. Now the same thing, but be from the front side. So from here, breathe in, lift, breathe out, down, comes on your toes. This one also at least do 10 times, and just be comfortable, just stand comfortable. Don't go let your legs like this part, or don't be like this one. Just be comfortable. The normal, usually how you stand, that's the exactly the way you should standing while you're doing this stretching part. So now we done the full body part in once. Now we do the one body part at a time. That means especially we are focusing on the body joints. So first let's start from the head side, from head to toe. So first in the head toe, you will understand which one or which is the body joint. So first joint is your neck part. So first how we do our neck. First let's just our face just lift and drop, but there is a breathing technique, so you must keep in mind, and that's how we do. Let's see and learn. So first, while breathing, lift your face, and while breathe out, drop your face all the way lift, all the way down. Okay, keep in mind this one is the first one, because we are doing one movement, just up and down. So keep in mind, do it all the way, but be comfortable. Don't go more than you can handle, or you will feel more maybe kind of the pain. So just be comfortable. Let's do one more time. One more time. Okay, now let's do the right and left side. So first breathe in, and while breathe out, turn your face right side, and while breathing, breathe out. So there is a catch here. See, first here breathe in. So while you're breathing out, you're going the right side, you're turning your face, your neck the right side. From here, while you breathe in, so till here is a breathe in, don't breathe out here. Keep moving your head, and from here is a breathe out. So it's like that. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so it's one thing. From here to here, it's one. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so keep in mind. Let's do one more time and just to understand fully. First, let's breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, and from here, breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Very good. So do it at least 5 times each side. 5 times up and down, 5 times right, 5 times left. And now the rotation. First rotate your neck. So how we do it? This one is don't go all the way like down and deeper. Just do it at just little bit. Just rotate. You can rotate your neck. But there is also breathing technique. While you getting taking your face back side till here is a breathe in, and when you're coming the front side, it's a breathe out. So let's do 2 more times with each side. You have to do at least 5 to 7 times. So let's do it. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time and breathe out. Now let's do the anti-clockwise. One more. 2 times, but you have to do at least 7 times. And if you think that you are doing very slow, or I'm just showing you 2 times and you have to do 7 times, so you can just pause this video and then finish, and then you can just resume from here. So now we done with the neck part. Then just think about the next joint of our body. So from neck is a shoulder. Okay, now we do the shoulder joint stretching or warm up. So how we do it? First with the rotation of our hands, but there is a breathing technique. So how we do it? First, let's put your hands like this one, and while breathe out, take them backside, and from the front, like from the here, the upside, when you touching your hands, your elbow, the front, then it's a breathe out. Okay, so let's do at least 2-3 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's do at least 7 times. Now the anti-clockwise. So how we do anti-clockwise? So first let's start from the upside here. So while breathing, go like this one, and from here it's a breathe out. Whenever you squeezing your chest, and you're putting so much pressure on your chest or your stomach, then it's a breathe out. When you're expanding your chest, when there is a opening of your chest or your lungs area, then it's a breathe in. So keep in mind, this is the golden rule of yoga breathing technique. So keep in mind, whenever you're doing like this one, whenever you're putting so much pressure here, this area, that's mean it's a breathe out. And when you're expanding like this one, okay, then it's a breathe in. Now let's do the anti-clockwise 2 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So it's a 2 times, but you have to do at least 7 times clockwise, 7 times anti-clockwise. Now we do done the one variation. Now there is one more, and that's the up and down, only up and down. Here you can do the breathe normal. Do it at least 10 times. So up, down, 2, down, but all the way. Don't do like this one. No, it's a half one. No, please don't do all the way. Do all the way up, all the way down. 4, 5. Do it at least 10 times. So after doing our stretching to our shoulder, how we do the next one? That's the next joint. There's no any guesses which one is the next joint in our body now? Shoulder. And now let's come to the upper body part. It's our elbow. So how we do elbow? Hands wide, fingers just wide, and let them kind of stretch and give them some good amount of stretching here, like this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it at least 10 times. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here is a breathe normal. Okay, you don't have to focus on breathing. Now after that, there is a next joint is our wrist. So let's do with the wrist. So first is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Do it at least 5 to 7 times each, clock and anti-clockwise. Now the small joints in our fingers, see here. So let's do like this one, and then okay, now we're done with the upper part. So where is the another joint? Now the next joint is our waist. Yes guys, so for this one especially we do this one wide open our legs. So be comfortable as can you wide your comfortably. You can stand on that. You don't have don't lose your balance, and just it's like that only. And first is our hips rotation. So first put your hands like this one and rotate like this one. And here there is a catch. Don't just try to rotate your hips area, your waist area, not the upper part or not the lower part. So it's like that. Okay, so 10 times clockwise, 10 times with anti-clockwise, but I'll show you how exactly sometimes people do wrong. So they go like this one, like this one. This one is very wrong. You just have to we are doing exercise, we're stretching our the this waist area, so we have to just do like this one. Okay, so 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Breathe is normal here. And the next one, in this one we especially the cover up the side waist area, this area. Okay, so in this one first bring your hands straight up, just put near your ear, and the next one is here, next hand is here, left hand is here, right, your right hand is like straight up, then is the left hand back, come to the side of your left hand. First here is a breathe in, while breathe out go down, while breathe in come, while breathe out breathe in. See, breathe in, breathe out. Let's do 3-4 times with the right this side, and then we do the right side. So first breathe in and breathe out. Keep your hands straight, don't do like this one. No, it's very wrong. Do while your hands straight, breathe out while breathing. Okay, after doing 10 times, let's see, your right hand comes down and left hand raise just near your ear. And first breathe in, and it's a breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And keep your your knees straight, don't do like this one. No, keep your head straight, and whenever you're going down, it's a breathe out. When you straight up your body, it's a breathe in. So now it's 2 times, you do it at least 10 times with the both sides. Now the next one, the last one, this one, that's a cross leg touch. So for this one, first you have to bring your hands out like this one, and it's like that, 1, 2. But that is the cage. Your hands should be straight all the way while you're finishing this one. So it's like this one, this one. How you gonna? Sometimes people how they do it wrong. See, this one. It's like this one. No, we are not doing like this one. We have to make our hands like just that exactly the 180 degree with the straight line. Okay, keep in mind like this, and do it at least. If you are above 50 years old and you have a high BP issue, then do it at least 15 to 20 times. And if you are young like me, then you can go like 40 times. Okay, 40 times, that means 20 times each side, 20 20, that's equally 40. So that's now finished with the waist area. Now let's do with the our knee. So here breathe normal and just rotate our knee 7 times clockwise, 7 times anti-clockwise. A little bit bend your knees and then rotate. Okay, now the last one, the last joints are ankles. So first up and down and rotate and anti-clockwise. Now with the left leg, and you can't you don't have body balance, you can't stand like on one leg, that's fine. Just hold any wall or anything that you can do there. Okay guys, so now we done with the stretching part. Now we do the next that's called Surya Namaskar. So first, this one is the first position, that's a Namaskar position, and this one you just breathe normal. The next one I'll tell you how to do with the breathing proper. Here breathe normal, and 2 is breathing, and 3 is breathe out, go forward bend. Now, as I mentioned, the right or left leg, here is the right leg, so it's a 4, and I take my right leg back side while breathing, lifting my face. 5, both legs behind, put your heels on your tummy, breathe out, it's a breathe out, okay? 6, it's a normal breathing, and 7 is breathing. 8, it's a breathe out, again the same position. And 9, as I take my right leg back side first, so I'm taking my right leg ahead first, and 10, breathe out, breathe in, and it's a breathe out. So I did in this one with the right leg. Now we do with the left leg, but I only count 1 to 12 steps, and then the breathing also. If you don't find it, still you are confused with the breathing, then it's like that. The first position is the normal breathing, then it's a breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and the normal again, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So one position is a breathe in, the next one is a breathe out. So keep in mind that there's a no normal breathing in Surya Namaskar, especially whatever I'm teaching here. Okay. So next one normal breathing, 2 while breathing, and breathe out, and hold every position at least 3 to 4 seconds. Okay. Breathe out. Now it's the left leg. Breathe in. 5. Breathe out. 6. Breathe normal, or you can just breathe hold. 7. Breathe in. 8. Breathe out. Again the left leg first. Breathe in. 10. Breathe out. 11. Breathe in. And 12. Breathe out. Okay, so now we done with the Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation also. I did with the 2 times. If you still have energy, you can go for the 2 more round, or maybe the 2 more times, one with the right and one with the left leg. So today is just don't do more than 4 times. That's mean 2 with the right, 2 with the left. And now relax for a bit, maybe 2-3 minutes. So you can settle your breathe. So guys, now let's do some yoga poses. And first we doing that's a sitting forward bend, or in English or in Hindi you will say Paschimottanasana. So first let's do this one. And if you learn in my channel the single that's fine. If you don't learn, that's okay. Just do it with me here. So in this one, just keep your both legs like this one. Sit in only this, the Dandasana position. This is the Dandasana, exactly the sitting position. And here, first, while breathing, bring your hands out like this one. While breathing, keep in mind, stretch your full body like this from here to here, and hands should be like this one. And then while breathe out, go the front bend. So in this one, and while you're here in this position, breathe out and hold your position. Do it this one at least for 5 times. Let's just do with me at least 1 or 2 times. So first breathe in and breathe out, and hold your position here. If you can't touch your legs like this one or this, or you can't put like this one, that's fine. Don't worry, there's no issue at all. Just be like this one. If you're reaching here like this one, that's absolutely fine. Just keep trying, just keep practicing, and after almost in next 30 days when you're doing this one now, you will be like this one. If you here right now, so if you want to see yourself like this one, then just keep practicing. So first breathe out and hold here this position and count for 10 seconds in your mind. Breathe out, keep in mind, so breathe out, there's no breathe in. So just hold your position and hold your breathe. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while breathing, lift and breathe out. Keep in mind, if you want to put more pressure, then just try to your forehead take that to your knee side, just close to your knee. In this way you will get more stretch to your this area. So let's do one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and breathe out. Do it at least 5 times. Pause this video here and finish that one, and then resume. Okay, but I'm teaching you now the next one. That's called Janu Shirasana, or one leg bend. So in this one, just your heel put just around your groins area here, and here this leg should be like this one. Don't do like this one or this one. Keep it straight. The same while stretching your body outside. And breathe out. Go like this one. Hold here 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While breathing, lift and breathe out. Do it at least 3 times with left side, and now let's do with the right side. There's no issue if you do left side first or right side first, because you have to do the both sides, so that is fine, as long as you remember which one you just did. Okay, Now the right side, the same. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and breathe out. Same goes with this one also. If you're reaching like this one, that's fine, totally fine. There's no issue at all, because you are just learning, so it's fine. If you're doing like this one, that's totally okay. So do it at least 3 times with the right, 3 times with the left leg. And now your heartbeat must be a little bit up, and you're breathing fast. So now let's settle that. Breathe, relax for a bit, and for that we do, that's called the butterfly pose. And in this way you will settle your breathe, and also you can finish one yoga pose also, because in this one it's a breathe normal. Okay, so just try to put your heels as comfortable near to your groin area, and then just do with your legs like this one, like you can say shake, or I don't know what you can say, this one, just trying to push and just trying to touch your what do you say, the yoga mat like this one. Keep your back straight, chest out, don't do like this one. Okay, now don't drop shoulder, just keep straight, do like this one. Do it at least for 2 to 3 minutes. That's okay if you can't keep your legs like this one. If you have extra weight here or the side weight, if you can't, this is like this one. If you're doing like this one, if you're standing like this one, stay, it's okay, don't worry about that. Just do, and after some time you will feel more comfortable, then you can just give it gate from close to your groin area. And then again, after some days practicing of this one, you will be able to do this one also. So after doing 2 minutes like this one, let's go for the next one, and that's called the Viparita Dandasana, or in English you will say the reverse plank pose or upward plank pose position. Because in this one, especially in the last 3-4 this yoga poses, we did the lower part, especially for the legs area or the side waist area. Now in this one we do the upper part, or chest, lungs, and your your hands or throat area. So let's do that for that. First, sit in Dandasana position or stick pose, and next one, keep your hands like the back side like this one, like this, and then lift your full body on your hands, so it will put pressure, so much pressure on your stomach area, so it will give you good core muscle strength, your good hand strength, or your wrist strength. So let's do it while breathing. Hold your position, don't breathe out, it's a breathe in and hold your position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and while breathe out, slowly down. Let's do one more time. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Okay. Now we done with this yoga pose also. Now it's only second day, so I hope it's today we going to finish here the poses, yoga poses. Now we do some learn some breathing technique, the pranayams, because this is the last part. So we learn some the pranayam. So first that's what we are learning. See, yesterday we learned Om. Today we're going to learn Brahmari, and then we do also Om, and then the last one is Shavasana. So first let's do the Brahmari part, or B breathing, you will say B breathing pranayams, B breathing technique. So in this one, how are we going to do? We use these fingers, we put them on our eyes, one this index finger, what do you say, index, or yeah, I think you put here like this one. With thumbs we close our ear. There is some little bit this body part, we push this one inside our ears, so it will close our ears, and after closing our ears we only hear our own voice, not the outer or the surroundings. So you want to hear yourself, just close your ears like this one. Okay, so let's first do this thing here like this one, and close your ear this one. And while breathing, first breathe in, deep breathe in, and just make a sound of humming. It's like that. Okay, breathe in and let's do one more time with me. And now don't open your eyes. Now we do the Om chanting, and then Shava, and then slowly deep breathe in through your nose and breathe out with your nose. Now again one more time, breathe, deep breathe through your nose, and then start your Om chant. And do at least your Om chanting almost 60 to 65% of O sound, and last 35% around sound. So let's do it together. First breathe in. One more time. Deep breathe in. You will do this one at least 5 to 7 times, and after this one let's go to the Shavasana or corpse pose, the last one. So don't open your eyes, just lay down slowly on yoga mat. Just lose your body, no tension, any body part, and just if you can't make it in one way, lose your body, then just start thinking one body point at a time, and that body part lose and relax, and then go for another body part. So I'll tell you today that how we gonna relax our one body part at a time. So let's start with the head. First just think about just your head, the hair, this muscles, just the skull, just lose that body part. Now comes to the forehead, relax that part, eyes, cheeks and throat, mouth. Just think about that and just relax their muscles. Now slowly drop your shoulder, no tension there. Relax your hands, your elbow and your hands finger. Just lose them, just don't stretch, or there's no tension there. Now just relax your stomach, relax your back, thighs, knee and your calf and heels. Just relax. Be in this position at least 2 to 3 minutes. Slowly start focusing on your breath. Yeah, after that just rub your both hands together like this. Warm your palms and slowly gently put on eyes, then forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. Let's do it one more time. The same eyes, forehead, cheeks, and throat. And now slowly open your eyes and turn of your right side. Be in this position at least 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, just support with your hands, both hands, and just sit like this one. Don't come directly from the front side. And now we're done with our today's yoga class, but the last stretching, because we did some of this yoga asanas and everything, so maybe there is some extra gases in your stomach, so we want to remove them. We don't want any gas in your stomach, so let's remove it and settle our every joint. Just put your hands on your knees. First breathe in here, and while breathe out, go from first to the right knee side, and then again while breathing left, and the same breathe while left side going. Now again breathe in and breathe out and go front side. And so guys, now we finished our second day yoga routine, and now you did exactly the continuous 2 days. I'm very happy that you following me, you're doing this yoga routine. And then now the last thing that just mention in the comment section how you feeling after finishing the second day yoga class. And guys, one more thing, share this video. You might be there is some person who want to do this the home yoga workout, then just share this video with them, and then ask them also if someone else wanted to do that, then they can also share this one. And the last one, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, so you will get more video updates at least for the next 30 days, for you can follow me. And after that also I'm going to upload some new series also, so just keep watching and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you tomorrow with the third day. So till then, bye bye, thank you, namaste.